Martha Karua arakinyitie ciira igoti-ini akiregana na guthurwo kwa ngabana wa kaunti Anne Waiguru, akiuga ithurano cia mweri wa kanana citiare cia mana kihoto. Thutha wa ciira guthikiririo kwa ihinda ria mieri iri, Mucirithania Gitari aruta itua riake agiteyaniria mahoya mothe ma Karua ati tondu ciira wake ndukinyite ikiro.
As they go to the root of the issue before an election court, a petition which has failed to state the date of declaration, the results of the election, and how declared is fatally defective, is hopeless, and is beyond salvage.
Mucirithania ninge ni athanire Karua arihe hathara ya ciira ucio ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 10.
I will cap the costs at Kenya shillings 10 million, but the Deputy Registrar of the Court will at the appropriate time tax these costs. And that is all.
Thutha wa itua riu guthomwo, Karua ni onanirie kwaga kuiganira gwake akiuga ati ni ta kuri andu maroe itua riu undu uria ureganirwo naguo ni wakiri wa Waiguru Kamotho wa Iganjo.
Today there is a noisy crowd out there. I suppose a celebration party by the applicants. And I'm just wondering roundly, did some parties have advance notice of the ruling, especially with regard to the crowd out there? It's just a rhetorical question.
That is an extreme bad taste for the petitioner to make that sort of implied allegation. I think the people of Kirinyaga are entitled to be at any point in this county at any time, and I think that must be respected.
Gavana Waiguru nake ni agathiriirie itua riu.
Na ukoro mutieteketie kwina ngai matuini umuthi mwitiki no turaga tugogo ugu campaign ni kwina andu maingi muno maturite magitu kirira roadblocks tutika korwo giteni giki no ni tuboyaga na twitikagia ngai na ngai ni yonania ringi.
Karua uri urarugamirirwo ni wakiri Gitobu Imanyara ni oriri igoti riu aheo maratathi ma ciira ucio na niguo amenye ikinya riria akuoya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.